provide enough for everyone's need but not for everyone's greed. A very warm morning to everyone. I am Shreya Rajput of class 10th B of Delhi Public School, Etawah, is here to share my thoughts on the topic Heal the Habitat. Habitat is the place where plants and animals grows naturally, but nowadays we are destroying our habitat. The loss of ecosystem is caused due to changing of land, sea use, climatic conditions, pollution, etc. But it's our responsibility to save our environment. Most of the 4 fires of every wildfire are caused by humans. But what can we do for this loss? We can plant more and more trees because plants are the best gift of nature. Butterflies can do more than just adding beauty and color to your garden. They are attractive towards bright flowers. They feed on them for nectar, and when they do this, they carry pollen grains to different plants. The majority of plants are depend on butterflies, bees as their pollinators for their reproduction. Barren can be healed. How can we heal a barren land? We can heal a barren land by adding manures, by adding compost, and vermicomposting is the best method to convert a barren land into a fertile land. Nature nurtures itself. If we give time to nature, it can restore its fertility and can heal itself without any foreign interference. Are we a good water keeper? This question arises often. Are we a very good water keeper? The Waterkeeper Alliance fight for cleaning water. Many people are there who goes for beach cleanups, who collect the litter on the beaches, but the most important problem is the improperness and careless disposal of water. We should feel our responsibility because it is our duty. Our natural resources. How can we conserve our natural resources? We can conserve our natural resources by using less water, by reducing, reusing and recycling, by doing afforestation and many more effective ways. Rainwater harvesting. This is a very essential way for collecting water, and this water can be used further for many works, many household works like for washing utensils, for cleaning car, etc. The 4 R's are very important for healing the environment. These 4 R's are rethink, reduce, use and recycle. Sound plays a very important role in the life of plants. When the sound is pleasing, the plants can grow, the plants can germinate its seed very effectively, it can promote its growth. But when the sound turns into a noisy sound, it can harm the growth of seedlings of plants. At last but not least, I want to suggest some measures to save water or to conserve our Mother Earth so that it can heal. These measures are afforestation, reducing, reusing, recycling, and conserve water, educate people, and many more. At last, I want to say, keep your Mother Earth happy, and she will keep you safe. Thank you and have a nice day.